When I was ordering new gimbal, I was looking for something that can offer me high payload, ability to connect focus motor, and that price is still affordable. And they came out with Moza Air 2. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video / photo gear review. My name is Denis and today we will take a closer look at Moza Air 2. Before I start with anything else, I must shout out to Gudsen support. They have been amazing. I had a smaller issue with this, as you can see. Mini tripod, and after 2 emails they confirmed me that they will send me a new one. But hey, they didn't send one. They basically sent me 2 new tripods, and here is the old one. Now let's go back to why we are here. First of all, why gimbal? If your hand is shaking, you probably don't want to publish or show videos that are like this. Instead, you want to show it like this. Also, why Moza Air 2? Why not some other gimbal? Well, here is the thing. First of all, the price. What this gimbal offers for its price, other gimbals just can't compare with it. Seriously. I must admit that the gimbal is pretty heavy after a few hours of running around with it. I mean, after a few hours of running, your arm will feel the real weight of it. Is there a solution for that? Yes, it is. And details will be shown in one of the upcoming videos. About the payload of Moza Air 2, 4.6 kilograms. That means that you can load almost every camera on it, or smaller camera with some add-ons. Plate that comes with Moza Air 2 is compatible with Manfrotto system tripods. So basically you install the plate on your camera and you simply jump from gimbal to tripod and vice versa. Since I don't own any Manfrotto tripod, I use different quick release plates, and with those I made actually my own ecosystem. However, if you need to rise up your camera a bit, you can use double plates and risers like you see it in the video. 4 exchangeable batteries that can last up to 16 hours. 16 hours! Batteries are easy to insert and remove. In many reviews that I watched, people say that how hard it is to open the cover of batteries, but it's not. That is actually the safety mechanism to prevent accidentally opening the cover. All you have to do is to squeeze the cover a bit and unlock it. And removing the batteries is that easy. And when you want to insert the batteries, you don't need to squeeze anything. Simply unlock the cover and it pops out. Now, if we look at the gimbal itself, it has so many buttons. So let's explain them all. First and most important, after you calibrate your camera on gimbal, is power button. That same button also works as start and stop recording or even take a photo. Yeah. Now Moza Air 2 don't come with multiple pre-designed modes. Instead, they gave us open hands about that. We can lock or unlock each axis motor separately. All that we do with one button, M button. At first, I was kinda afraid of use it, but it's really easy. You just need to remember how many clicks for what motor. That's it. From 1 to 3 clicks. Most of reviews presented this option as really hard to remember, but trust me, it's piece of cake. Next up is wheel and middle button. Middle button, aka menu button, is used to enter the menu or put the gimbal in sleep mode, while wheel is to control the menu. By pressing right side of wheel is confirmation, and if you want to do a step back, simply press left side on wheel. With the right camera and cable, we also can take controls on gimbal from camera like ISO, exposure and more. Then there is the FN button. 2 basic jobs. Sport mode by 1 click and interception mode by 2 clicks. One of the reasons why I bought this gimbal. And it's amazing. When we are in interception mode, we can control the speed of rotation so easy. With wheel, no application needed to enter it, nothing. Press FN button twice and turn the wheel on desired way to start with rotation. Speed goes from 0 to 10, and same for negative / opposite side. Sticking to the front, there is also joystick. Job of joystick is actually to control the axis, or you can use it for interception mode. Now the display. Display is here so that we don't need application all the time. With all these buttons, we can have almost complete control over the gimbal. We can check the calibration, we can set the strength of each motor, we can do almost everything. We can even set the strength of motors automatically, with one press. If you really want to know all of these details, make sure to comment down below and I will make a separate video just for all of the controls and how to use them. Moving on from front side, we see this big wheel that can also be programmed for 2 things. Rotating the motor and for eye focus control. If I'm gonna do a separate video like I mentioned before for the controls, I'm gonna include everything about eye focus too. Just in short, eye focus is meant to be for the focus, obviously, and the second, you know that vertigo mode that you can see, moving background and so on. That's it. Now last and most famous button is this trigger button, aka pistol button. If you hold down this button, you make all motors locked, no matter the configuration. Pressing it twice, it recenters the gimbal, which makes your workflow much easier. And people at Gudsen didn't even forget on selfie mode. All you have to do is to press this trigger button 3 times. And how is the real life usage of it? Just a second. First of all, I love it. It is not to compare with, but previously I had Giant Crane Plus, and this is like day and night. Moza Air 2 is heavier, so running around for multiple hours ain't easy, just as I mentioned. Another thing that I miss, but the new version comes with, is the carrying bag. And I hope that we older users of Moza Air 2 will get it too. But everything else, it's amazing. Having the complete control over each motor makes everything much easier. Then to think in what mode I am and how to change it. Stabilization is also amazing, as you can see from the video that I'm working on at the moment, and it will be published very soon. At the end, as every modern gimbal, this one also comes with application. Although I said that we don't need application, you still can have complete control through app, plus you can set the motion time-lapse with every parameter that you need. Few clicks and you're ready to go. All these features packed for the price of $599 US. I'm gonna leave all of the links in the description below, so make sure to check them. That's it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed in this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And until the next time, stay in love. Peace!